Maintaining a clean home with pets can be a constant challenge, especially when it comes to keeping carpets and rugs free of stains and odors. This BISSELL Turboclean PowerBrush Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner Machine and Carpet Shampooer is designed specifically for pet owners who need an effective and convenient solution to tackle these challenges. In this detailed review, we will delve into the features, performance, and benefits of this carpet cleaner, showing why it might be the perfect addition to your home. One of the most compelling reasons to choose the BISSELL Turboclean PowerBrush Pet is its specialized design for homes with pets. Equipped with a powerful 4-row rotating DirtLifter PowerBrush, this machine effectively loosens and lifts away dirt and stains that have been tracked in by your furry friends. Whether it's muddy paw prints, spilled food, or pet accidents, the Turboclean PowerBrush Pet handles it all with ease. Weighing just 12 pounds, the BISSELL Turboclean PowerBrush Pet is the lightest upright carpet cleaner offered by BISSELL. This lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to maneuver around your home, allowing you to clean high-traffic areas, small hallways, and even stairs without any hassle. Additionally, the retractable handle ensures that the machine can be conveniently stored in tight spaces, making it an ideal choice for those with limited storage room. The combination of the 4-row DirtLifter PowerBrush and powerful suction ensures that even the toughest stains and odors are effectively removed. When used with BISSELL's oxy-based formula, this carpet cleaner can tackle a variety of stains, including coffee, wine, grape juice, and pet urine. The oxy formula penetrates deep into the carpet fibers, breaking down and lifting away stains, leaving your carpets looking and smelling fresh. One of the standout aspects of purchasing a BISSELL product is their commitment to animal welfare. Every purchase of the BISSELL Turboclean PowerBrush Pet helps support the BISSELL Pet Foundation, which is dedicated to saving homeless pets. By choosing this product, you are not only investing in a cleaner home, but also contributing to a cause that helps animals in need. This added benefit makes the Turboclean PowerBrush Pet a meaningful choice for pet owners who care about animal welfare. Operating the BISSELL Turboclean PowerBrush Pet is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly design. The machine features a large-capacity water tank that minimizes the need for frequent refills, allowing you to clean larger areas without interruption. The nozzle and brush roll are easy to remove and clean, ensuring that maintenance is a breeze. This simplicity in operation and upkeep makes the Turboclean PowerBrush Pet a practical choice for busy pet owners. Considering its powerful cleaning capabilities, lightweight design, and added benefit of supporting a charitable cause, the BISSELL Turboclean PowerBrush Pet offers exceptional value for money. It provides professional-grade cleaning results at a fraction of the cost of hiring professional cleaning services, making it a cost-effective investment for maintaining a clean and hygienic home environment. Conclusion: the BISSELL Turboclean PowerBrush Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner Machine and Carpet Shampooer, Model 2085, is a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly tool designed to meet the unique challenges faced by pet owners. Its combination of strong suction, effective stain removal, and lightweight design make it an excellent choice for those looking to keep their carpets and rugs in pristine condition. Additionally, the fact that every purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation adds an extra layer of satisfaction for pet owners who care about animal welfare. If you are in the market for a reliable and effective carpet cleaner, the BISSELL Turboclean PowerBrush Pet is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.